Are you struggling to capture clear, vibrant product photos that truly showcase your items? Here are the 5 best photo light boxes I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Halovati Photo Light Box. Let's kick things off with the Halovati Photo Light Box. Priced at just $20.33, this 12-inch box caught my eye with its impressive CRI of over 95 and adjustable brightness. If you want professional quality photos without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. So what makes this light box stand out? First off, the 120 LED beads provide customizable lighting from 3200 to 5600K, meaning you can choose between warm and cool tones based on your product. This matters because having the right color temperature can drastically affect how your items look in photos. Plus, the light is dimmable across 10 levels, so you can adjust it perfectly to avoid harsh shadows or overexposure. Now, it comes with 6 color backdrops, which is fantastic for creating different moods in your photos. These backgrounds are made from durable PVC, so you won't have to worry about wrinkles ruining your shots. Imagine displaying your jewelry against a bright red background, or your cosmetics against a sleek black backdrop. It's all about making your products pop. However, some users reported that the folding design can have a slight odor when first opened. Here's the thing though, letting it air out for a couple of days usually does the trick, and for $20, I'd say that's a fair trade-off for the quality you're getting. This is perfect for you if you're a small business owner looking to enhance your online store's visuals. But if you're a professional photographer needing extensive features, you might want to look for something more advanced. Overall, it's a solid choice for the price. Now, if the size of the Halovati box feels a bit limiting, the next one might be more your style.
Product number 2, the Pules Mini Photo Studio Light Box. The Pules Mini Photo Studio Light Box is priced at $20.99. This compact light box is designed for those who need something portable without sacrificing quality. If you want a lightweight option that's easy to set up, this should be on your radar. What really caught my attention is its 104 LED lights that provide ample brightness for capturing small products. This is key because poor lighting can ruin a good photo, but with this box, you're getting lots of light without harsh shadows, thanks to its CRI of over 95. It's perfect for shooting everything from jewelry to small gadgets, no more dark, unappealing photos. The box is incredibly easy to assemble. You just unfold it and it's ready to go in seconds. Plus, it has multiple shooting angles, which is a massive plus for versatility. You can shoot from the front or the top, depending on what you're showcasing. This flexibility can help you find the perfect angle for those intricate details. Now, some users found that the backdrops could be a bit thin and prone to creasing, but honestly, considering the price and how easy it is to use, I think it's a minor issue. Just a little care when handling the backgrounds can go a long way. This is a great pick if you're an online seller or artist needing a portable solution. But if you're looking for something larger for bigger items, you might want to skip this one. Overall, it's a solid investment for the casual photographer. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those needing more flexibility. Product number 3, LightDow 12-inch Photo Studio Light Box. Let's talk about the LightDow 12-inch Photo Studio Light Box, which is priced at $25.99. This box offers a nice balance of portability and professional features. If you're serious about your product photography but still want something easy to transport, this one's worth a look. Equipped with 120 LEDs, this light box ensures true-to-life color rendering with a CRI of 95+. That means your product colors will look exactly like they do in real life, which is crucial for online sales where customers can't touch the items. Plus, it has adjustable brightness and 3 color temperatures, allowing you to tailor the lighting to whatever you're photographing. One standout feature is its multi-angle shooting flexibility. With openings at the top and front, you can capture your items from virtually any angle. This is beneficial when you want to showcase intricate designs like jewelry or cosmetics, ensuring every detail shines through.
On the downside, some users mentioned that the setup process could be a bit fiddly due to the magnetic fasteners. Here's the thing, once you get used to it, the setup is actually pretty quick, so if you're patient, it's definitely not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a serious hobbyist or small business looking to improve your product shots. But if you're just snapping photos for fun, it might be more than you need. It's a strong choice for the price. If you're interested in something with a bit more lighting control, the next product might be right up your alley. Product number 4. The Glendon Portable Photo Studio Lightbox, retailing for $25.19. This one's all about versatility and ease of use. If you want quick assembly without compromising on quality, this is a solid option. What I love about this lightbox is its stepless dimming feature. With 112 LED lights, you can control the brightness from 0% to 100%, which is fantastic for getting just the right amount of light for your product. It also has a high CRI of 95+, ensuring your photos look natural and detailed, which is super important for online listings. The multiple openings design allows you to shoot from various angles, making it easy to highlight different aspects of your products. And with 6 color backdrops included, you can switch up your backgrounds easily, giving you more creative freedom in your shots. However, some users found the carry back a bit flimsy over time. Here's the thing though, as long as you're careful with it, it shouldn't be a major issue. Just handle it with care and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or even a seasoned photographer looking for something portable and user-friendly. But if you're after heavy-duty gear, this might not meet your needs. Still, it's great for what it offers. Now, if you want something that really pushes the boundaries of lighting, the last product is definitely worth the wait. Product number 5, Ductless Lightbox Photography. Priced at $29.59. This one's for those who want a professional setup without the hassle. If you're serious about product photography and want features that will make your images pop, you should consider this. With 120 LED lights and a CRI over 95, this box delivers clean, professional results. The dimmable feature allows you to control lighting from 0 to 100%, which is essential for capturing the exact look of your products. The ring lights and reflective walls work together to eliminate shadows completely, giving you a perfect setup for consistent online photos. What's really unique is the Velcro front cover with different shooting modes. Whether you need a full open view or a smaller window, you can control the brightness and angles, helping you capture everything from fine jewelry to larger items seamlessly. However, I did notice some users found it a bit bulky for travel. Here's my take. If you're serious about photography and want quality shots, the size is a small trade-off for the features you gain. This is perfect for professional photographers or online sellers who need that extra edge. But if you're just starting out and want something compact, you might want to look elsewhere. Still, for its price, it offers tremendous value. All right, that wraps up my list of the top 5 photo light boxes. Each of these has their strengths and weaknesses, catering to different needs. To quickly recap, the Helevite is affordable and great for beginners. The Pullez is portable. The Lightdow has excellent lighting control. The Glendon is easy to assemble. And the Ductless is designed for professionals.